Hey there everybody, Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. We're going to take a look really quick at crude oil and several of the entries that we had in crude after the petroleum status report came out today at 10:30. So if you've been in the trading room with us, you know that I don't like trading crude oil. I do not like trading crude oil before the petroleum status report comes out because a lot of times it'll just completely reverse, which is what we did today. It was climbing, the report came out, and then it dropped and I fell through the floor. Well, after the initial breakdown, which was right here, we actually had several different entries, which I have red arrows on each one of the entries we talked about. The first entry right here was we had broken down and then we bounced, went to sideways consolidation. We said it was a sell on the break of the 48.92 support here, and we ended up taking that short, rode it all the way down, and took out $180 a contract, I think, on that short. The next entry was the break right here. Same thing. We had bounced back up, put in a support level, gone into consolidation. It was a short on the break of the support, break below 88, and that worked out really well. For those of you that took the trade, you took out about $300 to $400 a contract to the downside, so not a bad move there. Then we bounced once again. We did what we call a micro trend, where we have higher lows, higher highs within the context of an overall down move. So you draw a trend line. We broke the trend line. Now we said we didn't want to sell in the trend line, but we said wait for this bounce right here. Once we bounced, we said it was a short on the bear flag on the 500 tick on the break below 85 or on the break below 78. Either one worked out really well. Ended up selling off from there and coming all the way down. Then we had one more entry. We had a support level where we had come down and pivoted off of the 48.44 level. Now we said it wasn't a short on the break of the support, but it was a short on the flag right after the support break. That would have had you selling right at about 48.36. And then again, it sold off down, went into consolidation, where we had our most recent and last trade entry that we talked about in the trading room for crude. And that was a break below 48.18 on, once again, a micro trend within the context of an overall downtrend. It broke from 48.17. We said it was a profit. We said take profit at 86 at plus $300 a contract, or 30 ticks. Ended up working out really well. Went all the way down to 30 ticks and then reversed back up. And now you're in consolidation once again. Now we have a micro trend here. Yes, if you're looking at it, yeah, there's a micro trend. So it could potentially be a short below 48.14. Now that being said, I wouldn't be looking at selling that because we're going into lunch. And a lot of times crude gets kind of choppy going into the lunch hour. So rather just leave it alone for now. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Great job to everybody in the trading room. Lots of people were making lots of money. So I will see you all in the trading room bright and early tomorrow, hopefully. And until next time, happy trading.